In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use breakout rooms in Zoom. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to split your meeting into smaller, focused groups and manage them effectively for discussions, activities, or brainstorming sessions. Breakout rooms are a powerful feature in Zoom that allow you to divide a large meeting into smaller, focused groups. This is especially useful for classes, team meetings, workshops, or any situation where you want more interaction and participation. Let's get started. First, make sure you're already inside an active Zoom meeting. Breakout rooms can only be created once the meeting has started, and you must be the host or a co-host to use this feature. Now, look at the bottom of your Zoom window. On desktop, you'll usually find all your meeting controls here. If your screen is small, some options may be hidden under the More button, which appears as 3 dots. On mobile devices, you'll also tap the More option to access additional features. From that menu, select Breakout Rooms. Once you click it, a setup panel will appear where you can configure your rooms. The first thing you need to do is choose how many breakout rooms you want to create. Think about how many participants you have and how you want to divide them. For example, if you have 20 people and want groups of 5, you would create 4 rooms. If you want smaller, more focused discussions, you can create more rooms with fewer people in each. Next, you'll choose how participants are assigned to these rooms. Zoom gives you 3 options. The first option is Assign Automatically. This is the fastest method, where Zoom distributes participants evenly across all rooms. The second option is Assign Manually. This allows you to choose exactly who goes into each room. It's useful if you want to group specific people together, such as teams or skill levels. The third option is Let Participants choose their own room. This is great for topic-based discussions where people can join the group that interests them the most. Once you've selected your number of rooms and assignment method, click Create. Zoom will instantly set up the rooms based on your choices. At this point, your breakout rooms are ready, but participants won't join them until you open the rooms. When you're ready, simply click Open All Rooms and everyone will be moved into their assigned groups. While breakout rooms are active, you, as the host, can move between rooms, send messages to all groups, or close the rooms at any time. When you close the rooms, participants will automatically return to the main meeting after a short countdown. Here are a few quick tips to make your breakout sessions more effective. Give clear instructions before opening the rooms so participants know what to do. Set a time limit to keep discussions focused, and check in on groups if needed to keep things on track. If you don't see the Breakout Rooms option, make sure you are the host or co-host, your Zoom app is updated, and the feature is enabled in your account settings. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can turn a large Zoom meeting into smaller, more interactive group sessions that boost engagement and collaboration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more simple and useful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.